How to install 8-ball pool on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can install 8-ball pool. But before we do that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's dive right into it. First step is locate your app store. So tap on App Store and open it up. Now on the bottom right, you will see the search bar. Tap on the search option and on the top, you'll find the search bar. Tap on it and now type in 8-ball pool. After you type that in, tap on search and there you will see 8-ball pool available. Tap on the 8-ball pool option. Now this is the app right here. You can check it out. You can see the previews. You can read the descriptions. And now when you want to download it, tap on the get button, which will be instead of this cloud button right here. Then tap on get and tap on install and the app should start installing. And yeah, that's basically it guys. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.